Today, we're making a bike rack. I hope that was worth it, because it's gonna take a while to pick this up. I think that's all of them. Never really done a how-to video, and I needed to build a bike rack. Why, might you ask, am I building a bike rack? Well, because I have 3 kids, and my wife has a bike. I used to have a bike, but sometimes we have multiple bikes because kids like to come over and play. So I'm building today a bike rack for 6. This is everything that it's gonna take to build a bike rack. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a materials list of everything that I cut, the dimensions, all the connector pieces that you're gonna need, and at the very end of the video, I'll give you a price breakdown of how much I actually spent building this bike rack. All right, let's get started. So I'm going by a cut list I found online. It probably took me around 30 minutes to get all these pieces cut. You can see in this time lapse, I kind of used a jig to cut each piece so that I could make sure that each one was exactly the same. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go over all the cut sizes. Here are the list of materials that you're gonna need to create this bike rack. This bike rack is going to be for 6 bikes, and this is gonna be for child's bikes. 12 13 inches, 12 10 inches, 27 8 inches, 18 1 3/4, and all these are 1-inch pipe. 40 T's, 6 elbows. So this should be everything you need, hopefully. I forgot one thing, a hammer, a rubber hammer. We're gonna get started putting this thing together. If you're watching and you have any questions, just go ahead and leave it in the comment section below and I'll answer it the best I can. Because there's different ways you can build these racks depending on the width of the tire. But basically, like I said before, this is gonna be built for kids, hopefully. I've never done this before. So that took a second for me to figure out how to put everything together properly. So now we're gonna put together the upright section, which will go here, and basically it'll flip over, and then your bikes will sit in this part right here. So, like I said, depending on how wide your bike tires are, this section right here is how you adjust the thickness of your tire. So, depending on how thick your tire is how it is if you cut this 1 3/4, 2 inches, etc. All right, we're gonna keep going. Well, I've either lost T's or either I didn't get enough. So I'll have to figure that out. Found them. So that's it. This is the bike rack. So here's how it works. You flip it up like this. Your bike goes in here like this. If I had a bike, I'd show you. That was a fun little project. I'm planning on doing some more of these. We got a lot of, I keep hyping this, but we got a lot of content that I'm still working on, a really fun one. I'm just kind of struggling with it, honestly, of how I want to take which direction I want to take the story. So please subscribe if you don't mind, hit the thumbs up, and if you have any questions about this, leave it in the comment section below. And yeah, thanks for watching The Explorers. Alright, and so that's how it could work. If I were to do it again, I would probably make the spacings a little bit further apart between the bikes. But there you go.